Hello friends, today I am Mridul Sharma is going to represent PPT on circle. Circle in daily life. We can see circle in the tire of the cycle, in the coin, in the CD and etc. Circle in music. Many musical instruments have circular surface, for example, tabla, bingo drum, snare drum, bass drum, etc. Circle in sport. Five ring in the logo of Olympic Games. What is a circle? A circle is a closed curve in a plane. A circle can be drawn with the help of circle object. For example, a circle drawn with the help of coin. Radius. A line segment that joins any point on the circle to its center is called radius. Radius, plural of radius, of a circle are equal in length. Infinite number of radius can be drawn in a circle. Diameter. A line segment that joins any two points on the circle and passes through its center is called a diameter. Infinite number of diameter can be drawn in a circle. As the radii of a circle are equal in length, its diameter too are equal in length. Chord. A line segment that joins any two points on the circle is called a chord. A line segment that joins point A and B. Arc. An arc is a distance between any two points on the circumference of the circle. An arc divided the circle into two parts. Minor arc. The smaller arc is called minor arc. Major arc. The larger one is called the major arc. Example of an arc in a nature, like rainbow. Semicircle. A semicircle is a half circle formed by cutting a wool circle along a diameter line as shown below. Half of a circle is called a semicircle. A semicircle is also an arc of the circle. Tangent. It is a line that intersects the circle at exactly one point on the circle. This point is called point of tangency. Let's recap the term. Circumference, chord, diameter, arc, semicircle, radius and tangent. Thank you for watching. I hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.